Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will introduce you to an interesting Chrome extension again. So you can see AI coded code everywhere these days, whether it's in GitHub. People are using various tools like Replit, Bolt, Bubble to code various things. So now, if you visit any GitHub repo, then if you want to check whether there is AI code inside that, then now you can easily do that with this extension. So I'll go to this AI code detector pro and I'll say add to Chrome. Once I add to Chrome, then I will see that in my extensions. Then I can pin it if I want. Then what I can do is I can go to any GitHub repo. So this is one of the GitHub repo that I have found, which has been AI coded. As you can see, there are commits from Bolt, which is an AI vibe coding platform. So you can come here, then you can go to settings, then you can choose the provider. I have set as OpenAI. So you need to have a API key. So you can get this API key from various websites, that is OpenAI and Anthropic. So you need to pay for that API key, and you have to top up with certain amount of credits, maybe $5 or $10. Then you can use that API key for various purposes. So now once you have that, you can click on validate. So you see this API key is valid. Then this is an optional step. GitHub has a rate limit of the GitHub repos that it can programmatically analyze. So if you don't use this GitHub settings, that is the GitHub token, then there will be a rate limit that will be applied. So it's easy to get that GitHub token. So you can go to your GitHub repo, and from there you can just create a GitHub token. It's easy to do that. So once you do that, you can put that here. Then you can put the analysis setting, how much files you want to analyze. Then here I have kept a threshold of 0.45. So if anything above 0.45, then it will flag it as AI. So this is the confidence threshold. So I'll say save settings. Now I will go to analyze repository. Okay, so now it will run the analysis for this repository to check whether it is AI coded or not. So you can get the link to this extension in the description, from where you can download and install it. So now it's analyzing the repo to check whether it is AI coded or not. Okay, so now you see this, there is a 60% chance that this is AI coded, and it has, out of 10 files, it has detected 6 could be AI coded. So it also gives you the reason. So it says that with this highly structured and user specific SLN found configuration, we suggest a more of automated code. So here, if you look at it, it indicates of a human developer style, but also contains some boilerplate and generic patterns, which is common in AI code. So then here, if you see, it contains some boilerplate generic comments that suggest it may be generated or heavily influenced by AI tools. So now if you look at here, then yes, a detailed handling of provided logic suggests a level of complexity that may indicate AI assistant, especially in generating boilerplate code and handling various conditions. So in this way, you can analyze any code. So it's not perfect, but it's a great way to find AI code using a plugin. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.